Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to gift a game you already own on Steam. So to get started with that, the first thing to do is to open the Steam store, then go to the Steam app or the website and search for games you already own. Then on step 2 you have to click add to cart. So even though you own it, you will still see add to cart on the store page. Then click it, then Steam won't let you buy it for yourself again, but you can gift it. So on step 3, choose purchase as a gift. Then on the cart page, select purchase as a gift. Then you will see the list of Steam friends. So friends who already own the game will be grayed out. Then on the step 4, you have to select a friend and a delivery option. So choose a friend from the list. Then you can either send it immediately or schedule it for later. Then on the step 5, you add a message, which is very optional. You can write a custom message like happy birthday or enjoy this, or use a preset greetings from Steam. Then on the step 6, complete the purchase, then finalize the payment. Then your friend will get a gift notification in the stream inbox. Then you will get a confirmation email, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.